Heat detectors are one of the oldest automatic detection devices out in the field. Sometimes they're still utilized, oftentimes we don't need them anymore. Let's take 2 minutes to learn a little bit more about heat detectors. Now, why would I go with a heat detector over a smoke detector? The building codes themselves require, when they require automatic detection, smoke detection. So why would I go with a heat? Smoke detector is faster than a heat detector, and it is able to detect fire before the fire can be deadly to the occupants. Well, smoke detectors are not going to be suitable for every environment, and that's where we see the benefit of using a heat detector comes into play. Heat detectors shall be used if the environment's not suitable for use of smokes. Some basics on your heat detectors: the devices are going to be marked with their temperature on the device. If we are putting them on the ceiling, they have to be listed for a minimum 20 degrees higher than the maximum ceiling temperature. Heat detectors do not have a code-based spacing. They have a manufacturer's listed spacing. So you have to find that spacing on the device. And when I say on the device, I mean the device box from the manufacturer, from your installation manual. That's where we're going to find that information. With heat detectors, you've got options for spot type heat detection and line type heat detection. Line type's typically going to be used in large coverage areas. Location and spacing of our heat detectors: if you're putting them on the ceiling, they have to be a minimum of 4 inches away from the sidewall. If you're putting them on the sidewall, you got to be a minimum 4 inches away from the ceiling, no more than 12 inches away from that ceiling. Heat detectors have what I like to call a no-no zone, and that's you cannot be within 4 inches of corners. They're spaced per their manufacturer's listed spacing, and you do have to have a row of detectors within half the distance off the sidewall.